to my value from programtom.com/dev here, and in this episode I'm gonna point out the three libraries, mostly two, but the third has some advantages over the second. It's built on top of the second. So in this episode I'm gonna I've continued some development of my application, and I've migrated my work on the mobile side. So after a backend creates a QR, I've posted about this previously with open source QR generating components, and yeah, it is a Vaadin component that I've open sourced, and you can use it. So this component generates a QR in the browser by using a front-end library that you could that it will not take any more computational time or resources from the backend besides the pure communication of the Vaadin component with the client. But the actual creation of the QR is happening on the client end thanks to the integration of the Vaadin component with the client side. So yeah, I've seen now that I have left some console logs, but yeah, basically you could download and test this component. So I'm continuing the work with scanning the QR on mobile. So first library is the QR code scanner, and one thing that I pointed out in this article is you should definitely check out when was the last update and how much open issues they are, and pull requests that are not merged. And let me Google this. Basically, you could definitely must look how old is the package that you're gonna use. And in this case, this library has 2 years old, not been updated, but at least it is updated to no safety. So here is what is required. This is the QR code scanning in the pop spec. It requires this, and here is a full view that scans QR and displays it. And I've placed all the source code of the widget in the book, and here is the result. And this library has flash with camera faces, and so you could switch the camera, pause the QR scanning, and it has some great items that it exposes most of the what you'd expect from a library, like switching between cameras and having a flash and having a pointer where you should point the camera. So you must place the QR code here, so it could be red. So next package is QR barcode bar scanner. So this library is again a little bit old, and at least it is using a mobile vision API that is developed by Firebase. So here is another QR code view, QR code my view, similar to this. So I've made it all working within a simple view. So yeah, this QR code scanning, and the example here, I haven't updated a screenshot, but the UI is displaying either an error, a QR code back, or the actual result of scanning. So it has smaller footprint, a smaller customization out of the box. So this is another package that has built on top of this widget toolkit QR, and I've been using this package for a client for a company that I've worked for. So I've integrated this. Actually, probably I have been part of the team that has integrated this. So yeah, it offers better styling, QR code validation. Okay, I need to fix this. It has QR code validation, and it allows pop-up from below to display error, success, permissions, and so on. So this library requires some updates in the pub spec by adding another library, the widget toolkit, and it also requires editing the material up with these themes. So it will include extensions that are a way to style the pop-up, and here is the same QR code module with a minimal code that will display this one. This is the QR code that I've pointed here, and here is the result of scanning. So I will be using this QR scanning, some of this QR code scanning snippets, and I will be integrating it with my Java backend. So I will write down in the description of the video the pointer to this article, so you could check out the 3 examples that I've shown.